Hey everyone! In today's video, we have some great news about Tesla stock that could make October a good month for sales. Do not forget to hit the bell, subscribe, and click the like button before we go into the details. This will help you stay up to date on our market information. Let's start. Recent events. Tesla has been in the news a lot lately, and a number of recent events point to the company's growth. The electric car giant seems to be getting ready for a strong end to October, with big steps forward in technology and strategic partnerships. Technology that changes the game. One important thing that is contributing to the bullish sentiment is Tesla's constant innovation. With new advances in battery technology and self-driving cars, the company is not only strengthening its position in the market, but also shaping the future of the auto industry. Partnerships and collaborations. Tesla's partnerships and collaborations are another thing that is fueling the expected bullish trend. By working with big tech companies and going global, the company is setting itself up for long-term growth, which will draw both investors and fans. Forecast for earnings and money. As the quarter comes to a close, all eyes are on Tesla's earnings report. Analysts are hopeful, and good financial news could make people even more so. Pay close attention to key financial signs to get a sense of how the company is doing and how that might affect the stock. Market trends and investor sentiment. Market trends and overall investor sentiment also play a very important role. Tesla stands to gain from a positive view on stocks of electric vehicles and a wider move toward environmentally friendly investments. Keep an eye on market changes and news to get a sense of how people feel in general. Regulatory changes. Changes in regulations can have a big effect on the stock market, and Tesla isn't immune to this. Keep up with any changes to rules about electric cars, emission standards, or government incentives that could help Tesla's stock value and marketplace even more. Global expansion. Tesla's attempts to grow around the world are worth mentioning. The company's work to expand into new areas and its presence in emerging countries could lead to more income. Keep an eye on announcements about Tesla's work in other countries to see how the market might react. Competitor environment. It's very important to understand the competitive landscape. Look at how Tesla stacks up against its rivals, including both standard automakers and companies that make electric cars. Any changes in market share or the way the industry works could affect how well Tesla's stock does. Social media and how people see things. Social media sites often have an effect on how people see things. Keep an eye on social media for Tesla-related conversations, news, and feelings. Stock prices can be affected by how people feel about something, so it's important to pay attention to what people are saying online. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a useful tool for traders. To make smart trade choices, keep an eye on important technical indicators, levels of support and resistance, and chart patterns. Technical analysis can help you figure out when to enter and leave the market. Market volatility and outside factors. Tesla stock can be affected by bigger market trends and outside factors like natural disasters, economic indicators, or geopolitical events. CEO Elon Musk's influence. Elon Musk, Tesla's outspoken CEO, can have a big effect on the company's stock. Keep an eye out for signs of market volatility and be ready to change your investment strategy accordingly. Keep an eye on Musk's public comments, tweets, and any news about his projects outside of Tesla, as they could affect how investors feel and the price of his stocks. Institutional investors and analyst ratings. Observe how institutional investors and analysts rate the stock. Large institutional buyers and analyst reports can show how confident the market is in Tesla. Any changes in suggestions or big investments can have an effect on the stock's path. Numbers for production and delivery. Tesla's ability to meet production and delivery goals is very important. Watch for news about how many products will be made, when they will be delivered, and any problems the company may have meeting its goals. Investor faith can be boosted by consistent performance on these fronts. Macroeconomic trends. Think about bigger economic trends like inflation, interest rates, and economic growth. These big-picture economic factors can have ripple effects on the stock market and may change how investors act, which could hurt Tesla's stock performance. Adoption and loyalty of customers. Adoption and loyalty of customers are key to long-term success. Keep an eye on customer feedback, satisfaction polls, and any changes in what customers want. A strong and loyal customer group can help Tesla be successful in the long run, which can affect how well its stock does. Environmental and social duty. In today's market, Tesla's dedication to social and environmental responsibility is becoming more and more important. Keep an eye on the business's efforts to be more environmentally friendly, help others, and use green energy. If Tesla does good things in these areas, it could improve its image and possibly have a positive effect on its stock. Research and development, R&D, and innovation pipeline. A company's future growth often rests on its R&D projects. Keep up with Tesla's new product ideas, technological advances, and innovation flow. A strong R&D strategy can set the company up for long-term success and boost investor trust. Cryptocurrency integration. It's been interesting to see Tesla's work with cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. Any new information about Tesla's position or how it plans to use cryptocurrencies in its business could have an effect on the price. Keep up with news about Tesla's crypto plan and how it might affect the value of the company. Supply chain resilience. Problems with the global supply chain have affected many industries, and the auto industry is no different. You should pay close attention to how Tesla handles problems in its supply chain and how it responds to problems that affect the whole industry. Being able to handle complicated supply chains can be important for long-term growth. Policies and incentives from the government. Policies and incentives from the government, especially those that deal with clean energy and electric vehicles, can have a big effect on Tesla's future. Keep up with any changes to the law or incentives that could help or hurt Tesla's market situation. Regulatory compliance and legal changes. Legal and regulatory issues can have a big effect on a company's stock. Keep an eye on any changes in the law or problems that Tesla may be having with following the rules. Getting legal issues settled in a good way can boost investor trust. Macroeconomic indicators, like unemployment rates, GDP growth, and inflation, can affect how much people spend and how confident they are in the economy as a whole. Keep an eye on these indicators because they can give you information about the economy as a whole, which can affect Tesla's sales and stock success. Brand perception and public image. The way people think of Tesla's brand and how the public sees it are very important to its success. Keep an eye on how the business is talked about in the news and on social media. A positive public opinion can raise the value of a brand and help the market stay confident. Dividend and share buyback announcements. Tesla hasn't paid dividends in the past, but any changes to its dividend policy or share buyback announcements can affect how investors decide to invest. Keep up with the company's capital allocation plan and how it might affect the value of its shares.